Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Hey, we're gonna clean this air conditioner inside out. Deep clean it. Alright, to take yours apart, I wouldn't recommend you use the back of your car. This car is fine. Anyway, you're gonna have screws most generally around the perimeter on the bottom. Okay? You're gonna have two on the back side of your evaporator. You're gonna have two there, and then you're gonna have to take your control panel out. Now that varies from one unit to the other. There should be a cord retentioner, but see, you'll have your electronic panel, whatever, you know, everyone's a little different, but you don't want to get that wet. So you got usually two wires here. That's what you pinch around. After you bag, use a garbage bag and bag all your cord and everything, and then get around here real good with some zip ties and keep that dry. This don't matter if it gets wet. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We'll bring you back after we get it bagged and after we clean it. And what I suggest doing to clean this is don't use anything that you're gonna have to smell. If you don't like the smell of it, don't put it in your AC. Now they have coil cleaner. You can get coil cleaner for these, but it's expensive. I prefer to just use like some Dawn dishwashing detergent, something that smells nice. Yep, and get all your fuzzies off. That is really janky, guys. Let's clean it. Now this happens, I don't care how clean you think you are. The inside of your AC, it's a dust collector. It's a nasty. Yep. So let's get this out of here. Bring you back when we got her clean. You also want to take your front grill out and that filter and clean those. Front grill isn't that hard to get out. You got to take that out too. Just undo the screws, bring you back. Alright folks, I just used Dawn dishwashing detergent. You know, like that. Don't use that. Just use this. Okay. And I sprayed out the bulk of it before I put that in there. Right? And then I put that in there and let it soak. Yeah, so it's soaked for about, I'd say an hour. And then I sprayed it a little bit, just a little bit, got it to where it's down in the bottom here. See all this? I'm gonna let that soak. Yep, and here in a little bit, we're gonna spray it all out, completely clean it. Okay. And then we'll put it back together. Hang on. Alright folks, we got the housing put back on. We got just the housing. And there's just the screws along the bottom. Be careful. When you take them out, make sure you got the same length screw. There's two back here, one there, and one over there. Alright. Now, one of the most important things is, see, this is powder dry. Garbage bagged it up. The old garbage bag over there. But you can clean this surface with just a damp cloth. One of the most important things though, guys, your thermistor, okay? This is a resistor, that it's also the thermostat, the indicator for when the pump comes on and off. That has to be super clean. Alright? And you can see where it went in there. Just put it back. Just be real careful. It's got little jankies on the back. Just put it around there. Stick it back in there. But that has to be super clean inside. That's a thermostat right there. Runs around to the electronic box. But this is the actual indicator. If that's not clean, janky. All right. Yeah, clean that. All right, fan's all nice and clean. I'm gonna finish cleaning all the exterior parts, including the filter, important, and we'll bring you back. I won't plug it in without you guys. All right, folks, she's all put back together. No problem. You got just the screws I showed you around the perimeter. Put the shell back on. Put your face back on. Now this particular unit has a screw right here, and there's a screw up here. Sometimes they hide them in little holes. Okay, that's it. Okay, make sure you clean your thermistor like I said. All right, there it is. You just saved yourself $300. I have not cleaned. I just cleaned the fascia, you know, the face part that goes on the front. Just a hose, little brush right there, and I just cleaned the filter. Okay, haven't put it back on yet, but I'm going to plug it in and I'm going to show you guys it works. All right, hang on, be right back. All right, folks, here's the remote for it. We'll just set it down to 62. I'm going to turn it on right there. And there it is, running. And the pump just kicked on. Got it set to 62. Fan maximized out. There it is, and she's running. She's going to blow a little soap right here. Sometimes out the back it blows a little soap. Not a big deal. Let it go. You can always take the hose before you put it back in the window and blow it out a little bit more. It's not a big deal. There it is. Going cold. Yeah, just to show you guys it's not a big deal. Hang on a sec. Let me get the hose. While it's running, I'm going to blow that out for you. It doesn't matter. It will not hurt anything. Just put it on there and just let it go. If it does it again, blow it out again. It's not a big deal. There you go. Point is though, just save yourself a huge amount of money. $300 for one of these things now. Yeah. Blowing cold air too. All right. There you go. That's how you clean an AC. Not too much to it. Take it easy, guys. Love y'all. Thumbs up. There you go. Blowing, guys. about 80 out here today. That's just open. Sucking 80-degree air in, pulling out 43. There you are.